Found the original listing. It says 2 Furbies, interactive, talking soft toys, pink black stripes, fully working. Purple one not working. Okay, I don't know anything about Furbies, so let's power this one up, find out what it does, and then we'll have a look at the purple one and see if it can be repaired. Okay, battery contacts look good. Okay, let's put 4 AA batteries in, see what happens. Ooh. Okay, calm down, calm yourself down. Is there a switch on it? No. Put them down. Oh, look at that. Hello, hello. Is it?
I know, right?
Seems to be waiting for some sound. What if it's got a microphone in there?
Me too. Can't believe it. Okay,
Are you waiting for me to say something? Okay, you're quite noisy, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, okay.
You seem to key off of sounds
Tell me about it.
and touch.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we've got an idea of what it does now.
Gosh.
Gosh, indeed.
Oh, okay.
So let's open the other one up.
That made me love it.
Put some batteries in
Oh, okay.
and try it out.
Hilarious.
Okay, let's have a look at the second one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, initial look. The battery compartment looks good.
Oh, okay.
Why do you think they sold you?
Oh.
Because you're annoying?
Hilarious. Can I go
Yeah, go sleep. You can't even sleep quietly, can you? Okay. Oh, sorry, what language was that?
Okay.
Blimey, what language? Do you work? 1, 2, sing. Blah blah. Sorry? You don't seem to be speaking English. Okay, this one seems to be responding as well to sound. The eyes are working, but you're not speaking English.
OMG. Dude? Really?
That was English.
Boo. No way. Take it out.
I'm going to take you apart, find out what's inside you.
Take like me like. Take like to take like. Take like. Hilarious.
Let's say that in a minute. Oh, that was off. That's interesting. I wonder where that goes. So, got it apart. This was the connector that was not connected. I don't know where this goes at the moment. The unit itself is sprung-loaded base. It's got a microphone here, so it obviously does listen to you. It's speaker here, and this foil and this foil up here will be a capacitance path, so it detects when you're touching it, and that activates some of the other functions as well. So this is absolutely packed out with electronics. We've got a microphone here, a speaker here, there's a whole motor drive unit in here for the bass and the ears. There's a control card, PCB underneath here, which will be for the display for the lights. There's probably a chip down on this card around here for the speech and motor control. So absolutely packed out with components. I opened it up because I wanted to find out what was inside, which I can now see, and where this switch plugs into, which I haven't worked out yet. So I carry on looking. That changes the capacitance between these two plates. It should react.
Okay.
Excellent. There's a switch inside the mouth. I've had a check right through the circuitry. I can't find where this single connection goes to. A grounding connector. So maybe I should be looking more at the casing. What's that in there? Aha! Found ya. Okay, there is a connection there for it. There you are then. Okay, let's get that reconnected. Let's put you back together again now. Okay.
Oh, Tati, do? Like Uba, over, Coco Noodle, oh, Tati! Dee-dee, la-dee, la-dee, la-la-la.
Okay, so you're working again. Thank you for watching. See you next time.